G'day guys, it's Nathan here from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm currently changing out a flip mixer for a customer who's come in with some leaky tap issues. If you guys have any issues with leaks or water ingress inside your cabinetry, you can definitely come on down and see us here at AllBrand. So today, basically, I've disconnected and removed the plumbing system for the customer's old tap. We've now got our brand new sink flip mixer here and both the hot and cold water lines. So I'm just in the process of replumbing those underneath here onto the John Guest hose running down to the water tank and through the water pump as well. And then once we've got everything sorted, we're gonna test that, make sure there's no leaks in here, and then we can fit it off and the customer will be happy as days. If you guys have any questions, you can leave a comment down below or you can come down and see us at AllBrand and we can get stuff sorted for you. Thank you guys.